So in this next GET video, we're going to talk about the performance kits. The example being shown here is the Stage 1 kit. So with the Stage 1 kit, you get the exhaust system, stainless steel header and connection pipes, aluminium muffler with stainless steel end cap, simple slip joints, slip together, align the spring tags, pull the spring tags on as per normal, retains it all, bolts up to the bike in exactly the stock position, no extra mounting required. Comes with the RX1 ECU, which as previously discussed is fully custom mappable via the Maya software. Also comes with the Wi-Fi unit, so you can do tuning adjustments of the track via the smartphone app. The handlebar mounted switch, so you can switch between two maps on the fly. Again, a good bolt-on kit, so instant performance guaranteed. The performance market has changed somewhat since the carburetor days. It's now all about mapping, exhaust systems, gas flow. So cylinder heads, pretty good these days. So bolt-on modular kits like this, very, very good. Fully upgradable. So then you can add things like GPA and LCA, the launch control and the mechanical traction control device, which have been outlined in previous videos. Be sure to look that up at www.f1moto.com.au.
Today I'm going to show you how to install your GET GP1 Power ECU with Wi-Fi COM properly. First, you're going to want to disconnect the stock ECU. On some bikes, the ECU is located under the seat. On other bikes, it's behind the front number plate. You will then take the main cable coming out of the ECU and plug it into the cable that says GP1 Power coming from the connecting cable of the Wi-Fi COM device. Once these cables are connected, you can put the bike back together and start the bike. Once the bike is started, there will be two lights on the Wi-Fi COM, one green and one red. This means you're connected. Once you're connected to the Wi-Fi COM, you can then go into your settings into your mobile device, connect to the corresponding Wi-Fi COM, and type in the password that's on your unit.